Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umantri rangba kejela u Conrad K Sangma menta kasni ulapan menash ki nong tho khubor hadien ba ulapanya ya kejingyalang jongka kabinet kabla shim ki rai ki badan kam Hasan tli ki benta. Bagentup ka kot ka kya ka puli puthi ka jingtei shnong ka pisa bar ki an sinshar. Hagani kejingyalang umantri rangba ulaong Baga cabinet kala menjur ya ka technical financial but social service structure but ru iki rules jangka municipal ban penbet ya ka rukam trei but ka rukam penyan ya kini la thau da ka babod iki jing betha ba jing ai jing mut jangka sarkar India. But kum kini ki jing pen kala kila long benta jang ki jing penbet ki berang ya chaprang habaro ki jela hakari. Ka cabinet kala menjur ru ya ka jing pen kala ya ki building bylaws da ka babud iki jing ai jing mut jang ka sarkar India ban penbha ya ka jing penya ya ka khendo bat ka jing ai bor ban penyo iki jing bit jing biang ban te yeng na ne jing te thmai kumbalong haki wi pat ki jela jong kari ka wei na ki mat bakong san e ka blaya kran ka long halor ka kaiphot jong ka Meghalaya State Education Commission umantri rangba uyathu ba ka commission kala de pha e ka kaiphot cha ka sarkar bat minta ka sngi ka cabinet kala pin accept e ka kaiphot Katanat puli puthi kala sya hukum bahkan bishar benya ikijing ai jengmut baro ki badan hakati ka kaipon bat ban penkre da ki phang kam action plan ban pelong la kalong kumno ban pentre kam ikijing ai jengmut jangka commission hadien kane ka cabinet kan sashim rai kumno ban ne halor ka jing pentre kam laong Conrad Sangma ha kalyang ka kot ka khya ka cabinet kala menjur ban regularize ya ki nurse ki balatre hakrukam ad hoc Persha iki san post sanction post ki bala don mensha shua uno pra 8,000 nyo. Ka jingpen bet kere halor ki nong trei komba 6,000 ngun da ka babut ya ka juk ka rukam bar ka kendon ka bala pendon kam ha ka jing regularize ki nong trei ad hoc ha usnem 8,000 arpuar karkum karai jong ka Supreme Court. Ka cabinet kala menjuru ya ka jingpen kalarin ha ka Meghalaya Health Service Academic Rules 2025 ka beritang ki jingpen bet ha ka kerteng bar ka jingpen yai. Ka cabinet minta ka sngi klashi mikirai baro ha ki santali benta bar la menjur lun hadin ka jing bishar bnia lapan kot umentri rangba.
Yeah, the first agenda in the cabinet today was regarding the technical, financial and social service rules that were made for the municipalities of Meghalaya. So this basically the structure was formed as well as the rules were also put into place, and this is being done as per the directions and suggestions that have been given by the Government of India, and these kind of reforms are taking place throughout the country. The second decision that was also made was the amendments to the Meghalaya building bylaws. Again, this is in line with the recommendations that have come from Government of India, mainly to do with the overall management of the land and giving the permissions and allowing more space for building construction to be done so that more value of the land can come out. And as I said, these are all being done as per the guidelines and the suggestions that have been given by Government of India, and this has been done in all the different locations and different states throughout the country. The third agenda we discussed was the report of the Meghalaya State Education Commission. As you are aware, the Education Commission has submitted its report, and today we have gone into detail and presented the report to the members of the cabinet, and the report was accepted by the cabinet, though the details of the different recommendations have been they've been asked by the cabinet to the education department to go through each of the recommendations and come out with actionables and the way forward, and then the cabinet will decide on how we will move forward in the implementation of the report that has and the suggestions been given by this commission. The sixth was the regularization of the cadre under the Meghalaya Nursing Service appointment to the post of staff nurse and auxiliary nurse and midwife. As you're aware that in 2022, if I'm not wrong, we had taken a decision to regularize employees who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanction post, which means that it was a sanction post, but the proper process of regularization, the proper process of recruitment was not conducted, and hence they were on ad hoc basis. And based on a Supreme Court ruling, we had gone ahead and regularized those who were appointed to such sanction post on an ad hoc basis pre-2008, which means 2007 December. And based on that, close to about 3,000 employees were regularized who were appointed on an ad hoc basis, were regularized about a couple of years back. And later on again, a list of more people who were eligible and falling in that category were again brought to the cabinet, and we regularized those also. Similarly, today, the health department had brought a list of close to 1,000 nurses who are also in that same category, who have been appointed before December 2007 and was against a sanction post, but done on an ad hoc manner. So hence, following the same yardstick and the same rules that were applicable to all the other employees appointed in that manner, the cabinet today has decided that we will regularize those who were appointed on ad hoc basis against sanction post before December 2007. The next decision was the amendment to the Meghalaya Health Service rules. There were some nomenclature adjustments that had to be made. It was a very minor adjustment or a minor amendment, and that was cleared by the cabinet, which is the Meghalaya Health Service Academic Rules 2025. So these were the agendas that were taken up today and cleared by the cabinet.
Sir, this regarding this education.
I'll give you details on that.
So, will that be made available to the press as well?
I'm sure it will be made available. I don't see any issue, but I'll just get back to you on that.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!